What's up, crypto legends? In this episode, I'm going through the top 5 cryptocurrencies that I am invested in out of the 10 cryptos that I do have in my portfolio that I think that could have in between a 5x and a 50x potential in the next coming years, guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode. Before we continue with the top 5 cryptos, I want to let you know that 4 of these cryptocurrencies can be bought on Bybit. They have spot trading also, but if you want to do derivatives trading, they have an insane bonus to claim up to $30,000 depending on what you deposit. Of course, we have the other exchanges that don't have KYC, which is Bitflex and MEXC. On MEXC, you can buy some of these cryptos also. There is one of them, which is Unibrite, that you need to buy on Uniswap. That is where the most volume is for this cryptocurrency. This is a decentralized exchange. I'll be leaving the link for Uniswap also. First of all, we're going to go with the low risk to reward ones, the ones that are more solid, like Ethereum, that could do a 4-5x in the next coming years. Then we'll go to the high risk to reward ones, of course. Now, Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with its own cryptocurrency. Ether has become a prominent investment choice due to various development initiatives. The transition to Ethereum 2.0 featuring proof of stake protocol and staking. Ethereum's first mover advantage is smart contracts, a vibrant community, scalability improvements, and increasing mass adoption in DeFi, NFTs, and gaming are additional factors boosting its value. Now, jumping onto the logarithmic chart on Ethereum on the weekly, we can see from 2015, it's been in a very nice uptrend, of course, with its bear market cycles. Now, back in 2018 and 2019, we could see this massive retracement from $1,400 coming all the way down to $82. Now, in the peak of this bull run that we've had the last few years, it went all the way up here to $4,800. And during the last peak here of the bear market, okay, in 2022, it reached slightly beneath $900. Now getting a little bit of sideways action and a small recovery. We could see a little bit of more downside on Ethereum. It's definitely a possibility. Overall, I would be expecting to accumulate at this ranges, okay, in between $1,000 and slightly beneath $1,000 if we were to arrive there in the coming months, because overall the macro trend is very, very strong, and I would expect Ethereum to hit over $10,000 in the next coming years. Of course, we can see a little bit of more downside, but it's the number one project, okay, blockchain project that has 90% of the tokens of DeFi, NFTs, gaming, okay, so this is very likely to continue in the coming years. And of course, the token Ether is the one that powers its network. Second cryptocurrency, which is an L1 blockchain project, it is Avalanche. AVAX as ticker symbol is a platform designed to provide highly scalable and customizable blockchain solutions. A review of AVAX price trends reveals that the asset has shown resilience amid recent market bearishness. While it has experienced some correlation with the general market, AVAX has maintained a value above $10 support level, indicating strength and investors' confidence. With its impressive features such as high scalability, customization options, and a focus on combining the benefits of public and private blockchains, Avalanche has positioned itself as a platform with significant potential as the adoption of DeFi and NFT continues to grow. The demand for AVAX tokens is expected to rise, driven by the platform's suitability for these emerging sectors. Furthermore, with ongoing development and vibrant community, Avalanche is well positioned for future expansion and innovation, making Avalanche a great investment opportunity in the evolving blockchain landscape. Now, when we take a look at Avalanche on the weekly chart, it was born in the middle of the bull run from the last cycle, reaching a peak of almost $150 per token. Right now, it's been in a massive bear market, of course, for the last 1 to 2 years, reaching all the way down to $10. Now, just a few weeks ago, we reached that $10 low from December of 2022, and the possibility in creating a double bottom is there, guys. So I expect that Avalanche in the next coming years will reach its all-time high and even go to higher levels, meaning from current price levels, it will be in between a 10 to 15x, okay? So it's a very realistic price projection for the coming years for Avalanche, which I think is a very solid L1 blockchain solution. The third cryptocurrency that I am accumulating here for the last few months, and I did see this one back at 2 cents in 2019. However, I do think it's a great project and it is going to evolve evolve in the coming years. That is Phantom, guys. FTM as ticker symbol. It is a leading directed acyclic graph, DAG as ticker symbol, based smart contract platform offering enhanced functionality and usability compared to Ethereum. Focusing on reliability, security, and speed, Phantom aims to become the backbone of smart cities, connecting and facilitating daily operations. Additionally, Phantom aims to establish itself as a top performance DeFi platform, offering popular features like staking and peer-to-peer lending. The strategic approach positions Phantom to compete for the share of Ethereum's DeFi market in the near future. Phantom remains a viable crypto to invest in. Considering the feature it carries, Phantom excels in scalability, offering near instant transactions with its current time to finality TTF of approximately 1 second. The platform's long-term goal is to achieve a staggering 300,000 transactions per second TPS, surpassing major payment processors like Visa and PayPal by 10x. FTM is expected to benefit from these elements as they will likely expand the network use cases. Now, taking a look at the logarithmic chart on Phantom on the weekly since its existence of 2018, I remember seeing this at 2 cents and was really interested in this project. However, I was buying some other ones, of course, and we could not have them all. Now, doing my research during the last few years, I've decided that I am going to accumulate some of this cryptocurrency because I do think it does have high potential. Now, we can see it had a massive rally on the bull run, going all the way up to around about $3.70. And right now it is currently trading around about the 30-cent level. Could we have a little bit more downside? Yes, absolutely. So I am dollar cost averaging, okay, just in case we were to come all the way down back to 20 cents or even 10-cent level, right? Which I would think would be credible prices to accumulate if that were to be the case in the next coming months, because I do think that this one has a bright future and will be breaking the all-time high in the next coming years, making that over a 10x. Now we're going to go with the fourth cryptocurrency, one of my favorites, that is Chainlink. Chainlink I started buying back in 2019 at $1.60. It used to be my biggest holding, but right now with the bear market, I've been accumulating a little bit more of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Still is one of my biggest holdings, of course. Now, Chainlink, Link as ticker symbol, is a decentralized Oracle network that aims to bridge the gap between smart contracts on the blockchain and real-world data. Oracles are essential for smart contracts to interact with external data, and Chainlink provides a secure and reliable solution. The Link token is used as a node operator reward and as collateral for securing smart contracts. As the demand for decentralized applications and smart contract grows, Chainlink's role as an Oracle provider could become increasingly important, positively impacting the value of Link. Chainlink continues to be a promising project with significant potential, as evidenced by its noteworthy partnerships. This partnership aims to connect smart contracts with the Swift network, bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain technology. Despite the bearish market outlook, the Link token has maintained a bullish stance and remains relatively affordable. This demonstrates the positive sentiment surrounding Chainlink and its future prospects. Now, taking a look at Chainlink on the logarithmic chart on the weekly time frame, we can see from its existence of 2017 here, when it was just a few cents, to the all-time high of $53 back in 2021. It's had a massive bear market, dropping the price over 90%, which is absolutely crazy. Now, of course, it has slightly dipped here around about the $5 range just a few weeks ago, but it's had a massive consolidation, and this for me is more of an accumulating area. Now, from its existence on every bull run peak, we can see right over here, it has provided massive support. This was back in 2019 and 2020. The highs here were around about the $5 levels in 2019 and 2020. We have been sitting above this level for over a year now, since May of 2022, meaning that this for me is likely to be an accumulation phase. If the price were to drop beneath $5, going to $3, it would just be a better opportunity, because I do believe that Chainlink will be breaking not only all-time high, I think the token could arrive to $100, meaning it could even 20x from current price levels. Now going with the fifth cryptocurrency, which I do think has the potential to even do a 50x, it's a high risk, high to reward, is Unibrite, guys. It is a blockchain-based project that aims to simplify the integration of blockchain technology into existing businesses. They provide tools and solutions for enterprises implementing blockchain technology without extensive coding knowledge. UBT, the native token of the Unibrite platform, is used for transactions and governance within the ecosystem. It's important to consider the potential adoption of the Unibrite solution and the overall growth enterprise blockchain adoption when evaluating the investment potential of Unibrite. Now, taking a look at Unibrite on the logarithmic chart on the weekly time frame from its existence in 2018, it started in the bear market going from 14-15 cents all the way down to 1 cent in 2019. When we take a look at the all-time high, it was $4.30, guys, doing over a 400x in less than 2 years. Of course, it's had a brutal bear market. It is well down 95% of its value, trading currently around about the 8 cent level. Now, something that is concerning about Unibrite, it hasn't had a sideways massive consolidation, so a little bit of more downside is very, very possible. Now, if this were to go all the way up above all-time high, it would be doing almost a 50x, guys. And I do think that this one can reach all-time high and even break it. Of course, all of the cryptocurrencies mentioned on this video, you need to do your research. This is no financial advice. This is only my personal investment that I am doing. So it's very, very important that you be taking a look at those projects. I'll be leaving the websites down below because they are very, very risky. Cryptocurrency is risky in general, guys. These are only my cryptos that I am invested in for the next coming years. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.